Hi, second graders. We're going to go over our application problem for today, lesson 20 application problem, which is page 117 in our math workbooks. So we're going to follow our steps of read, draw, and write. And we're going to do all of the steps because there are a bunch of steps for this problem. So we're going to make sure that we do every single step. First, I'm going to read my problem carefully. It says, Mrs. Boxer has 11 boys and 9 girls at a grade 2 party. First, we need to write the equation to show the total number of people. Then we're going to figure out if the add-ins, the numbers that we're adding together, right? These are my add-ins, if they're even or odd. Then Mrs. Boxer wants to pair everyone up for a game. Does she have the right number of people for everyone to have a partner? Okay, so there are a few parts to this problem. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write my equation to show the total number of people. So I know that there are 11 boys and there are 9 girls at the birthday party. So in order for me to find the total, right, I'm going to take my two numbers and I'm going to add them up. So I'm going to add the boys plus the girls to get my total number of people. So I know 11 plus 9 gives me 20. So there are 20 total people. Okay, it's in my part A. Now for part B, I need to figure out if the add-ins are even or odd, right? Remember I said add-ins are the two numbers that we're adding together. So I have to figure out if 11 and 9 are even or odd. So what I can do is I can draw a picture of my 11 boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these are the boys and the 9 girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so remember that we've learned that if a number is even, that means that each one has a partner or a pair, right? We can pair them off into groups of 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle groups of 2 inside of the boys and the girls to figure out if the numbers are even or odd, right? If I know it's going to be even, that means that each one is going to have a partner. If it's odd, that means that one of them will not have a partner. So I'm going to have my pairs of 2. Okay, so it looks like this guy over here, this poor boy, he doesn't have a partner. So this means that the boys are odd. And if I'm going to pair up my girls, oh, it looks like this girl is left out as well. She does not have partners. So this means that the girls are also odd. So I know that my add-ins of 9, and oh, actually I'm going to put 11 first because that means my boys go first. So 11 and 9 are odd numbers. Okay, so now I've done part A and part B, but now part C is asking me to figure out if there's a right number of people for everyone to have a partner, right? So what I can do is I can take my boys and my girls and I can draw all of them to figure out if there's enough for each of them to have a partner. So I have my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 boys and 9 girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair off my groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I have my 11 boys and my 9 girls. I'm going to circle pairs of 2 to figure out if each friend can have a partner. So these guys can all have partners. Okay, this guy doesn't. If I pair up my girls, these ones all have partners. Now I can see that each of these ones can have a partner. There are a boy and a girl left over, but I know that I can pair up this boy and this girl together. So this showed me that, yes, I do have the right number of people for everyone to have a partner. So for C, or I'm sorry, for this part on the back on page 118, I can write a statement that matches the story, right? So the part that I'm going to answer is I'm going to answer if Miss Boxer has the right number of people for everyone to have a partner. So I'm going to say, yes, there are 20 people, which is, and what kind of number? I know that everyone had a partner, so that means that's an even number, which is an even number. So everyone can have a partner for okay, there we go. So that's the last step of my problem. Make sure that you did all of the parts, right? If I went over a part that you don't have in your work, I want you to make sure that you go back, you can rewind the video and pause it, and make sure that you have each of the parts of this problem, right? Because it's super important to make sure that we include all of the parts. So my answer that I've written is on the back. If you have all of these parts, great job. If you don't, make sure that you go back and you finish writing all of that. Great job, friends.